Hi, my name is Kaylee Keogh and I'm a business student at IADT. For this presentation, I will be doing a slideshow presentation on the Lynda course Writing to be Heard on LinkedIn by Daniel Roth. This course focuses on the social media site LinkedIn. I hope to use this site to help me to meet other professionals in my chosen field that could help further my career. LinkedIn is the largest professional networking site available today. This site can really help you further your career by social networking with other professionals in your chosen field. Knowing your audience is one of the most important things about being on LinkedIn and was one of the most important segments in this course. There are multiple ways to do this. One of the main ways is to know what your audience are already talking about, what's trending in your chosen field. You're better off doing this by joining in a conversation in progress and slowly bringing it into what you want to talk about. This way you will learn more about your audiences, their interests, and the trends happening at the time. In this section, it focuses on not just writing content that you are writing articles that will interest your audience instead of writing articles you seem as acceptable, as people have to take time out of their busy working day to read your articles. So what this point is making is that you should write articles that are interesting and don't play it safe. Take chances and don't be afraid to write good articles or to step outside the lines of what you're normally used to writing on your social media, such as LinkedIn. Sharing your content was another big aspect of this course and was one that I found particularly interesting. What is the point in writing great content if you are not going to share it? This is the main point in this section and one of the most helpful tips that I found from the overall course. This topic talks about mentioning people on social media in your writing. Don't be afraid to quote them and tag them in what you're putting up online. This means that you will end up in their emails and in their feed and in their notifications on their social media, be it LinkedIn or any other social media such as Facebook or Twitter. This will help to grow your audience and might attract people who are following the main people that you have mentioned into following you and growing your audience and yourself as a brand. In conclusion, I learned a lot from this Lynda course. It helped me to understand what type of content would help to further my career on LinkedIn, what have I been doing wrong, and what I could improve on, and how to improve it. This course really helped me to understand the content that I should be sharing and writing to my audience and what I want to achieve as a potential entrepreneur.